Okay, I know that you guys have probably already learned about the guy who was allegedly shot and killed by Mpumelelo Kamseleko, but trust me when I tell you that the recent news about this story are going to shock you. So do stay tuned to this video if you're interested. But before going to the video, I want to first request you guys to like it, and if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So I was one of the content creators who created videos when Utano Nestemo showed us that Umakhwela will be Musamselo's wife number 5, and that she is near Mpumelo's age. Some people are even judging her for dating her friend's father, and I'm here thinking, hi man, some guy is in her 20s. It can't be surprising that she's Ne's friend. I mean, I wouldn't even be surprised if she could come out and say Mpumelelo or Ulwanda are my exes. And all of this crossed my mind when Twitter and Facebook were shocked by some gay's statement when she said that after God, fear a boy child. So social media was left with so many questions, and of course social media was going to have many suspicions because Umakhwela said all of this when Umakhwela introduced Ulwanda and Mpumelelo to him. And people were asking, could she be having a crush on one of the brothers, or could it be possible that she once dated one of them? Well, those questions are not answered even today, but one speculation that people have answered is this one. So as you guys already know that Mpumelelo shot and killed an intruder that was found in his mom's house, allegedly. So people are wondering, who was this intruder and what did he want from the Selego house? And today, I was just scrolling down my Instagram and I came across this Instagram account called Sejic SA. And this account posted a picture that you are seeing on your screen right now. So this picture is Umakhwela and Mpumelelo, and the caption of the post says, ex-love triangle gone deadly. Musamseleo's son shoots wife number 5's ex-lover. Yo, guys. Apparently, an armed intruder stormed into Musamseleo's home last week. But guess what? He wasn't just any thug. He was allegedly wife number 5, Samgekwela's ex-boyfriend. And the word on the street is, the guy was furious that Mselego stole his woman. And I need to repeat this, these are not my words. This is a post from an account called Sejic SA on Instagram. And this is a disclaimer that I didn't cook this story up. I don't want to get into trouble because all of this to me sounds like serious allegations. But I need to admit, as much as they are that serious, these news are juicy. You know, at first, I didn't take this whole thing of Mpumelelo killing someone seriously. I just said, nah, this is just PR stunt. Omsele want us to keep on watching because I know that their PR team is very good. But then, as cops come out, all of those things, but to me, it still feels like this is a PR stunt. I don't know. Maybe you guys comment about it in the comment section. Share your thoughts, maybe your opinions about this topic. Yeah, guys, let's put it in the comment section. All of that being said, this is the end of this video. So like the video if you enjoyed content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.